This video is sponsored by the Sandy Spring Museum WondeRoom in partnership with the 4-H Lucky Clovers. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a pop-up card and an envelope to go with it. The things you're going to be needing are some shapes. I chose hearts, paper, a bigger piece of paper, that is a square, something to write with, I'm using a marker, glue or double-sided tape, and a pair of scissors. You may want a parent to watch you while you're using these. The first thing you're going to be doing is taking your paper. Fold your paper in half. And cut 2 slits in the middle. Now, open up your paper and pop out what you just cut. Fold it, just like that. Now, when you open it, you should have a little ledge, so it can look like a square like this. So, now, what you're going to be doing is taking your shape and glue or double-sided tape. Take the double-sided tape or glue and put it on your shape. Then, tape your shape to the ledge, the bottom of the ledge. And it should pop, just like that. So now, you have a popping card. Write something inside. And write something on top. I decided to write hello. There you go. Your pop-up card is complete. Now we're going to be making an envelope for this to go inside. You're going to be needing a square piece of paper, bigger than this. Open it up and fold it into a taco. A taco is like this, like a triangle. Then unfold it and do the same thing in another direction. Now, fold it into a hot dog. This is a hot dog. If you had watched a previous video, you've seen us make fortune tellers. It's very similar to this. And do it the same thing in the other direction. Now, make sure you have 8 triangles. We'll count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Draw a dot in the middle of the paper. Just like that. And draw one in every corner. Now, you're going to make sure you touch a dot to a dot. So, at all times, a dot must be touching a dot. So, first, take your first dot and touch it to the center dot. Should be like that. Do that for the rest. Now, you have a similar fortune teller shape. Take glue or tape, and on the inside, tape 3 of them together. I'm going to be using a tiny piece of paper to make sure the inside of the card, the tape does not stick to the inside of the card, preventing the rest of the card from sliding through. So it should be like that. you're going to be taking your top and folding it all the way over until you have 2 fingers left of space. Good. Now, taking your card like this. You might want to fold it in half, or if you don't want to fold it, use smaller paper. I'm going to fold mine in half and stick it inside. Then, fold it down. Using more tape, tape it closed. Okay. I'm going to draw a tiny heart right here. And to go along with that tiny heart, I'm going to be taking more tape. And as you can see the center dot because I used green. You can easily take some tape, stick it right there, and stick a nice heart. Now you have a 2-in-1 card and envelope. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!